Thanks a ton from the bottom of my heart, wherever you are, if you're listening to us. And I think to carry on from here, Ekta ji, if you would like to take the stage and carry the evening ahead. I think Anuradha and Ekta will know the further event better than me. I hand over the stage to them. Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you, Mrs. Kekre. Am I audible to all?
Yes, Anuradha.
Thank you, Akhilesh ji, for your mesmerizing, enlightening, and such guiding words. We were really mesmerized by your speech. Thank you so much. Now it is time for the most awaited moment of the evening. Apart from having an enthralling itinerary comprising of varied events throughout the fortnight, our members were really busy weaving, participating in them. They were also kept busy with the poetry contest. The poetry contest this time was very unique. We had increased the bar since it was a contest hosted on the occasion of our dear UBI's birthday. The participants were asked to compose poetry with a theme of their own, but there was a twist to it. They had to compose 3 poems in 3 different poetry formats. The poetry formats were given to them. They had to pick amongst a haiku, a rhymed poetry, sonnet, or a limerick. The participants and we, the organizers, were extremely fortunate to have stellar judges with us. India's one of the leading poetesses were there with us. They adjudged the poetries. So I'm beginning with the appreciation awards for English Poetry Contest. Hold your breath, participants. So Lalita Vaitheswaran, Nisha Tandon, Namrata Pandit Pillai, Aparna Bhargave, Deepa Acharya were awarded with the appreciation awards.
Wonderful.
Congratulations to all the winners. The certificate of excellence was awarded. I'm going to tell from 3rd position. The 3rd position was bagged by Amrita Malik.
Ooh.
The 2nd position was bagged by Swati Garg.
Wow.
And the 1st position holder was Dr. Sonia Gupta. A big congratulations to all the winners and participants. That was a great contest. We enjoyed reading each and every poem.
And applaud the winners for sure. Can unmute and applaud if you want. No problem. Yes, Anuradha.
So, I don't want the heavens or the shooting stars. I don't want the gold, diamond, or the gemstones. I want the valuable words of my seniors. I want my elders' blessings and their calming presence. Today, I'm a very rich person with a galaxy of stars all around me. One such shining star is Mrs. Gauri Dikshit. Mrs. Gauri Dikshit lives in Pune, India. When not busy working in her office, she is a busy traveler. She loves climbing mountains, walking untrodden paths, capturing voice with solitary flower, a bird sitting on a hanging branch. Her poems speak in a voice which is unique, cold, and direct. She is the Royal Prize awardee and had a commendable mention at Destiny's Poet. In her first book, In My Skin I Find Freedom, there are poems on varied subjects, yet there is a common thread of a skeptical, questioning mind of a free woman. We are blessed to have you here, Gauriji. I would request you to please say a few words to our members and our participants.
Thank you, and good evening, everyone. It was an honor to be judging the UBI contest, and we really did find very good entries for the English poetry. So I would say that it is defined by the quality of the poems that we actually saw, and there were varied themes. Actually, everyone used a different theme, right? So the awardees had themes such as love, harmony, and fireflies. And a lot of the poems were also touching upon the need for harmony, the need for peace, as well as, some of the contemporary kind of events. And that's what poetry should be. So it was a wonderful experience. Congratulations to all the winners. And Sapna ji, congratulations for organizing such an event. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your time and efforts. Thanks a ton.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Gauri ji. For English poetry contest, we had one more judge who's an exemplary poetess, an esteemed poetess of India, Mrs. Santosh Bakaya. Though due to some problem at her home, she is not able to be here. But I would like to read out a brief bio about her. She is the Setu Awardee for Excellence for her stellar contribution to world literature. She is also the first Keshav Malik Awardee for her entire staggeringly prolific and quality-conscious oeuvre as an essayist, poet, novelist, and editor. She is also a TEDx speaker. Dr. Santosh Bakaya has been acclaimed for her poetic biography of Bapu titled Ballad of Bapu. She is also the author of the much acclaimed biography on Martin Luther King Jr., Only in Darkness Can You See the Stars. She has also authored the poetry book Songs of Belligerence, and she has also made a poetic collaboration with Dr. Koshi for the archetypal, emotional, and very philosophical book Vodka by the Volga. We would have really loved to have her here and listen from her. I was really waiting. I hope Santosh ji sometime later on you can come on UBI platform and address us all.
Ma'am, if you are listening to us, yes, we want you to come one of the days and address us separately also. If we can make it possible, we would love to hear you. And I'm sure all the UBIites are waiting to hear you too.
Over to Ekta ji. Ekta ji, are you there?
I think उनका connection जो है वो चला गया है.
Okay, so I think she has lost the connection. So I will move ahead with the program. Is it okay, Mrs. Kekre? Akhilesh ji, can we move? Okay. So I will move ahead with the category of photography. There were two themes in the photography contest: express your creativity with freedom and reflection photography. Photos were to be taken on a DSLR or even on a mobile. So I declare the winners. I'm beginning with the winners for the certificate of appreciation. The five participants are given the certificate of appreciation: Ms. Surabhi Sethi, Dr. Bhushan Lal, Ms. Anushi Batra, Mr. Avinash Dubey, and Ms. Suvarna Damke. Congratulations to all the winners. Starting with the third position, now I announce the winners who rightly earned the certificate for excellence. The third position was bagged by Mr. Shivraj Pradhan. The second position was again bagged by Dr. Sonia Gupta. She was first in the English poetry contest also. And the first position is bagged by Mayank Tambe. Hearty congratulations to all the winners and participants. It was a great show. We really enjoyed each and every photograph which was there on the post. It is said that a photograph is not merely taken, but a right moment correctly captured and made into a marvelous photograph. Nothing lesser than a painting is a photograph rightly taken. It is certainly therapy for the photographer to stand behind the lens and capture the fluttering of the wings of an eagle, or a ship sailing towards the horizon, or a little fawn sleeping peacefully. Our set of judges had accomplished at all these things and much more. We were fortunate to hear and learn many things from Mr. Ashish Johri and Mr. Amitabh Sharma. Our participants' photographs were inspected by expert eye and a true connoisseur of the art of photography. Mr. Ashish Johri is a writer, photographer, and a filmmaker. He is a trained documentary filmmaker from FTII, Pune. He has also worked as a screenplay writer, dialogue writer in the Mumbai film industry. He is the founder of a renowned Facebook group, Mobilography. May I request you to say a few words for our members?
Anuradha, I think, Ashish, can you unmute yourself? Amitabh ji? Ashish?
Ashish Johri ji. Ashish Johri ji, can you hear me?
Yeah. You are audible now.
Yeah. Would you like to say a few words to our participants and the audience and the members?
Yeah, of course. I mean, we were the judges, Amitabh ji, me, and Ratma ji was also there. And, she's not here right now, but as we call her, the spine of UBI. So we all, Sapna ji was there. And we decided, we saw how detailed the photograph were, how miraculously they were captured. And, the best part was that they were just not only following the theme, they were following their hearts. That was the best part of it. So we thoroughly enjoyed the judging and watching all the photographs. All the photographs were fabulous, but we have to finalize few. So it was done and we enjoyed it. Thank you to UBI, Sapna ji.
Thank you so much, Ashish ji and Amitabh ji, for your time and efforts. I know I saw you struggling choosing them, so I must say that it was indeed a tough choice. So I think whoever is not one, so don't be disheartened. It was
Thank you so much. Yeah. Thank you so much, Ashish ji. Ashish ji, as passers by on the street or when we visit a place like a tall building, a skyscraper, a newly constructed complex or a shopping mall, we just we say wow. But beyond that, obviously we are not capable to do anything about that thing. We just enjoy the surroundings and love that. That is not so with another judge. We have with us a person who sees the architectural or engineering marvels from different aesthetics and captures it in his camera shutters from innovative angles. Mr. Amitabh Sharma is a very renowned name in UAE. His miraculous approach towards photography lies mainly in architectural and interiors along with cityscapes and landscapes photography. Winner of Canon Middle East 2015 award, he is also being bestowed upon with the Emirates Green Building Council and the Architecture Photography Award. Mr. Amitabh Sharma has carved out a unique place in the world of architectural photography, and his work has been published in various local and international newspapers and magazines from time to time. May I request you, sir, to please say a few words today evening to all of us, for all of us.
Good evening, everyone. First of all, can you hear me? Yes. First of all, this competitions and all, I don't believe in that, because everyone has their own point of view, own likes and dislikes. So the people who are not being selected, or I mean, first, second, and third, and they have not, and they should not feel bad about it. They have to keep on clicking. And I'm sure in the UBI is going to have another competition very soon, and then it is an ongoing process now, and we are here to support them in all sense. And if anything else we can do something about photography, it would be great. So just let us know, and all the best to each and everyone. Thank you for your time. Thank you, everything.
Thank you so much, sir.
With your permission, I would like to add a line here. Thank
Yeah,
you
yeah, sure.
to Ashish ji and Amitabh ji for this support as being as a judge. At the same time, here I want to mention about Amitabh ji. He's also one of those, the behind the scene makers of UBI, because he connected me to so many people whom we met during this 15 days and even otherwise. Thank you, Amitabh ji. I really want to thank you from the bottom of my heart. And always, I know your support will surely be there. आशीष जी को तो हम साल भर से कनेक्टेड हैं, पर अमिताभ जी से हम अभी कुछ समय पहले मिले हैं. But that I think it clicked so well, and the way it went on, and it's a bond which we have created with UBI and Amitabh ji. So we will need your guidance throughout.
So thanks to Digvijay Singh ji also.
Absolutely, thanks to Digvijay to connect me to you.
Digu.
Digu, are you listening, Digu?
To take the program ahead, we have with us Mrs. Ekta Sachdev. I think we had lost the connection, but she's back. So I hand over the mic to her.
Yeah, thank you so much, Anuradha ji. Am I audible?
Yes, very much.
Okay, thank you. The true fruition of diligent and earnest endeavor is not a tangible material reward, but it's an imperceptible sense of deep gratification, achievement, and fulfillment one draws from recognition and commendation of such painstaking efforts. I can feel excitement and thrill raging through who are wanting to know who has made to the finishing line. So putting your anxieties to result for Hindi poetry, the Excellence Awards goes to Swati Garg, who is holding first position, Dr. Sangeeta Srivastava with the second position, and Ira with the third position. Congratulations, all three of you. The Appreciation Award goes to Anita Wadhwani, Preeti Patwardhan, Rajni Sardhana, Archana Srivastava, Aparna Pradhan, and Hina Shaista. Again, congratulations, all of you.
Pradhan and Shaista. Congratulations.
I hope you all might be very excited to know about the judges of this event. And we have two very eminent judges with us, Sunita Singh ji and Sadbir Chadda ji. First, I would like to give the introduction to Sunita Singh ji. Unfortunately, she is not today with us due to some personal reasons. Sunita Singh is a lingual poet, writer, and storyteller. Her poems and short stories feature in many international and national anthologies and e-magazines like Glomag, Different Truths, Spill Words, Destiny Poets UK, and others. She has a passion to revive Indian language on many forums and has dramatized reading of stories and poems of many famous writers. She has conducted many workshops and storytelling sessions. Her solo book of poems, Dance of the Flamingos, has received much acclaim. She has been on editorial board of a women's magazine and is one of the editors of an anthology of roseate sonnets. About Sadbir Chadda ji, born in Nainital, did her schooling from St. Teresa Convent High School, went to college in Sophia College, Mumbai. She is the author of highly acclaimed book for God Loves Foolish People, for which she won the Real International Prize for Literature in 2017. Her next novel was Betrayed, a medical thriller. Her poems and short stories find recognized place in several national and international anthologies, including Silhout. Breeze was her first solo collection of poems, second one being Glass Doors. She was awarded Litpreneur Award by Author Press in 2019 for her remarkable contribution in literature. She has instituted the Nizim International Award for Literature. I would just like to say for her, कुछ चेहरे यूं ही मुस्कुराया नहीं करते, कुछ चेहरे यूं ही मुस्कुराया नहीं करते, रंग बसंती यूं ही उड़ाया नहीं करते, बड़ी जिंदगी है सारा जहां महकाना, कुछ फूल यूं ही दुनिया में आया नहीं करते. Please welcome Sadhvi Chadha ma'am, we are waiting with full ebullience to listen to your motivating words. Sadhvi Chadha ma'am, please.
Thank you so much, and for the glowing introduction you giving me. एक महती हुई आपने मुझे इंट्रोडक्शन दी है, शुक्रिया बहुत बहुत. मैं बहुत खुश हूँ आपके साथ आप सबको संबोधित करते हुए. ये जज करते हुए बहुत खुशी हुई. एक तो इतनी सारी एंट्रीज थी कि और सारी अच्छी थी, तो एक एक कविता को कई कई बार पढ़ के उसका आनंद भी लेते रहे और सोचते भी रहे कि अब किसको क्या अवार्ड किया जाए. बहुत मुश्किल था ये रिजल्ट देना, तो मैं सबको बहुत बहुत मुबारक देती हूँ, बधाई देती हूँ. आई वांट टू कांग्रेचुलेट ऑल द पार्टिसिपेंट्स and the winners of course will take home a prize, so congratulations. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much for all
I hope
your words. Yes.
see.
जी जी सुनाई दे रही है आपकी आवाज. थैंक यू सो मच सतवीर जी. आप इतने बिजी शेड्यूल में भी आपने हमारे लिए टाइम निकाल के जो जजमेंट के लिए समय निकाला है. We really want to thank you from the bottom of our hearts and from all the team UBI to all the judges. In fact, I think
having been given this job and to see Hindi poetry rising is really an immense pleasure.
Thank you, ma'am. Ekta, we can't see you and we can't hear you. Are you there? Hello, Ekta, can you hear me?
I think she has again dropped out of it.
She's getting in it.
Yeah. She's connected.
She's connecting.
Hello.
But I cannot see her on video. I can hear you on. Ekta, can you start your video? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you now.
Can we start for another contest result?
Yes, please do.
Sorry for the poor connection. Please bear with it. Even though the participants were on clock, but it fills with awe and wonder how they captured strong emotions in their art. It's not out of place to say it had been quite difficult for the judges to select a favorite. I mean, what a wonderful display by senior and junior artists. You have all put your soul into it, and I know how eagerly you might be waiting for the output. So we go with the seniors first. The first position for the art section was Seema Javeri. The second place was Surbhi Sethi, and the third was Abha Nagpal. Among the juniors, Ananya Alok, with the first prize, Agastya Rena with the second prize, and Abir Kothari holds the third position. For the appreciation, we have 5 winners: Hina Shaista again, Swarna Damke, Namrata Rena, Indu Nandal, and Vibha Vanshi. I'm Sandrine. You might be eager to know about the judges of this event too. And we have with us Vidya Vishwanath. I would like to share a short bio of her. Over 20 years, Vidya Vishwanath has taught arts and crafts to more than 400 children and adults across India. A diploma holder in textile design from the Board of Technical Education, New Delhi, Vidya has completed formal training in fine arts from Lalit Kala Academy, Lucknow, and advanced visual arts from Chitrakala Parishad, Bangalore. She currently teaches art to students across all age groups in a school in Bangalore. An expert in oil and acrylic painting, Vidya has conducted over 75 art workshops in schools, colleges, and community events across India, including summer workshops at IIM Bangalore and corporate workshops as a part of the team building activities. She also specializes in Tanjore painting and sketching, Kerala mural painting, rivers glass painting, paper mache, and cross hatching painting. An avid nature enthusiast and home gardener, Vidya uses nature as an inspiration for her artworks. She passes on her enthusiasm to her students by conducting outdoor painting sessions where she encourages them to draw inspiration from their surroundings. Vidya started her online art classes last year and conducts for all age groups in different batches. Her students are from different parts of India. She conducts special weekend classes for adults as a de-stress activity. Vidya conducted a summer workshop for kids living in Sydney, Australia. Going forward, she plans to start international batch during the weekend. We would all like to invite and would like to hear some motivational words from Vidya Vishwanath ji.
Can you hear me? Good evening. Yeah, okay. Thanks for giving me this opportunity. And too many words about me. So just I'm doing my work, enjoying my time. Wanted to share what I know and what I'm learning. That's what it is. And about the judging, it was not an easy job. Me and the other judge had a difficult time going through all the artworks, pointing out and coming out and zeroing it down was not an easy job. So many congratulations to all the participants and all the UPI test and Sapna. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your time and efforts. And I'm sure in the future also we will be gaining from your all the knowledge which you have, and you will be able to guide us ahead.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
The second judge is Shweta Menon.
Hello.
Truly Tribal is a rich repertoire of traditional items and a one-step tribal and folk art gallery for availing the finest of handicrafted Indian and ethnic collections of a myriad tribal and folk art forms from all across India. Shweta Menon, the founder of Truly Tribal, shares that this platform is more than a business platform, as it showcases the rich diversity of ethnic, tribal, and folk art forms of India, as well as promote and build awareness about Indian art and artisans, and provide these artists with a wider audience who are made aware of extraordinary works of art and these artists and their individual communities. At Truly Tribal, she says she is doing her own bit and promoting these tribal and folk art forms across India and world. In short, her business also underpins a social intent. Many congratulations, Shweta Menon ji. And
thank you.
कृत अपकृत मन के भाव सुमन हम सादर अर्पित करते हैं. आप सबका हम मिलकर स्वागत करते हैं. We'd like to hear some motivational words for our platform.
Thank you so much. Thank you, all of you. I've been following your platform activity so much, and I get so much inspired by the kind of activities and kind of engagement you could get in from people. And honestly, I mean, I'm so thrilled about the engagement language initiative which you guys are planning. And because मुझे लगने लगा है कि हम हमारी मातृभाषा और हमारे देश की भाषाओं होते चले जा रहे हैं. मतलब मैं दूसरी जगह पे नहीं जाती, मेरे घर पे ही कई बार बच्चों को देखती हूँ, तो वो भाषाओं को वापस लेके आना, and that is a big thing. And yes, and when it comes to art, yes, actually this is the same way which is happening, that Indian art, the way languages are getting lost in the influx of our kids want to learn German and French and Italian and everything, but ask them their matrabhasha, they may not be able to read and write some of them. So that is something which is I love the initiative, and the same thing is happening with Indian art. Do not know India is the landmine, of the all kind of Indian art, amazing, and artisans are getting lost in this whole process. और मुझे लगता है हमको हमारे आर्ट फॉर्म्स को नई जनरेशन के सामने लेके आना इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट वी अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आर्ट फॉर्म्स हैव इट इज नॉट जस्ट अबाउट लर्निंग द आर्ट यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट द स्टोरीज एंड कल्चर एंड द हिस्ट्री बिहाइंड दीज थिंग्स and it is not just about learning or buying and holding one art piece in your house. It's also to know what much effort was made by the artist to put behind it, and what was the story, what was the thought process behind those things. So we also conduct various workshops also by these master craftsmen across India. हम लोग काफी artisans के साथ काम कर रहे हैं, and those artists have been they are days when they are so humble and down to earth. आपको लगता है नहीं दीदी जी ऐसा नहीं होता है, I mean इतना सिंपल तरीके से बात करते हैं, it keeps you so. And when it comes, Vidya had been great these artists because I love all art forms. What had come, and some of the kids' entries were so amazing. There were no 6-year child and 8-year child could put what the farm thinks like and what the rainbows looks like and what is their interpretation. This is just so nice to see, and some of the artwork was so beautiful. Like Vidya rightly said, we just did not know which one to say and which one not to say. Life is a canvas, and people were trying to put their view at that point of instances in the light. So that is so amazing to see, and so amazing to be associated with a platform like UBI. And I feel so best of luck. I feel so humbled to be part of the group. And I would like to thank all of you for such a wonderful program of 15 days. It was amazing to follow through.
If with your permission, Ekta ma'am, can I just add in a couple of lines here?
Sure. Even I was thinking.
I think most of us know Truly Tribal from the times of Inked Marathon.
Yeah, exactly.
Shweta has really helped us throughout. And I really admire her zeal to support the artisans. And it's from her heart that she does it. And I've seen her work from past so many years now. And I really feel proud to see her grow in such a beautiful way. I really mean it, Shweta, and you're doing such a wonderful job. Truly Tribals will reach the peak, and it's already reached quite a height. But yes, it will reach a lot more heights. And last time we had her as a sponsor also, and today, she's judging, and she's
judging.
So, in any form, any work which we do, Ekta supports us in wholeheartedly. So thank you so much, and I don't know, it's amazing to connect with you all throughout as a very dear friend as well as a true art connoisseur. Thank you for being what you are.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
And I would really like to add, it is not only one judge who has really contributed to our platform. Take it Santosh ji, take it Gauri ji, take it Sadbir ma'am. Means all was so wonderful, so charming, and it's really how passionately they work. It was like a few sessions with them, and it was like a family we are talking to. Absolutely. It was wonderful, and I would really like to say a few words for them, really dedicated to all the judges. मुद्दत से आता हर दिन जिंदगी में नई उम्मीद जागे, मुद्दत से आता हर दिन जिंदगी में नई उम्मीद जागे, आज के दिन बख्शी खुशियां सबको, नेक कामों से सबके नसीब जाएंगे. और हमारे जजेस को यही हमारे जजेस ने हमारा दिन जो है आज प्लेटफॉर्म के हमारे सारे व्यूअर्स के भाग्य जागे हैं. इतने अच्छे जजेस हमें मिले और इतने एज अ टीम की तरह ही उन्होंने हमारे साथ काम किया. It was just amazing experience with you all. Thank you for being there, and I hope for the future ventures also we will have your cooperation in the same manner. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So as we come to close our valedictory ceremony, I would like to invite again Anuradha ji to propose a vote of thanks.
Thank you, Ekta ji, for your beautiful lines. And it was really true. The judges have been really a pillar of strength for this fest. Am I audible?
Yes.
I'm honored and I feel extremely privileged to be here to deliver the vote of thanks to all the dignitaries assembled here on this August evening. As they say, all good things come to an end. So has this evening and also this fortnight-long fest. On behalf of Mrs. Sapna Kekre, founder United by Ink, and the complete United by Ink family, I would like to thank today's chief guest, Ambassador Akhilesh Mishra ji, Additional Secretary, Ministry of External Affairs, for his beautiful inspirational thoughts which he has given us today. He has, from his busy schedule, he has spent with us. We have been really blessed with it, sir. Thank you so much, sir. I would like to thank our judges who have been extremely kind, helpful, and patient throughout the contest. Your presence, your guiding words have been a treasure trove for us. The fest would have been extremely difficult to conduct without the generous hand of the sponsors. I thank from the bottom of my heart to Mrs. Anju Puri, Value Bazaar, Shikha Tikku of Nikhar Couture, and Khushbu Shivnani of Khushbu Hobby Classes. Thank you so much, sponsors. They have been extremely gracious by providing gift vouchers and trophies for the first, second, and third place holders. I also thank the complete team of United by Ink for the tireless efforts, excellent coordination, and complete support that they have given for the success of the 15-day long fest. The love and affection was very much visible through the enthusiastic participation and numerous messages that come our way by the viewers, our members. They have been very spontaneous. They have been very enthusiastic. Thank you so much, members. Keep showering your love and affection on us so that we grow with leaps and bounds along with you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Anuradha and Ekta, for conducting this evening so wonderfully. I really want to thank you on behalf of all of us to give us such a amazing journey and the results with the kind of introductions which you have given and summing up this whole event so well. Thanks a ton.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Namaskar. I would also like to thank everyone, and any one of you are coming to Delhi, then please visit me.
For sure, sir. For sure. I think we have a few people over here who will be surely visiting Delhi, and some are from
Most
Delhi.
welcome. Most welcome. Most welcome. It's a privilege to be part of this event, and the positive energy, the passion, the commitment I see is very refreshing.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. All the best.
And to close,
thank you, sir.
Just once again, thank all the viewers who made this possible. Without your support, we would have not gone so far, and all the reach which you have given us by that clicking that share button. Thanks once again. I've been reminding it every day, and now onwards, I would really request you to shower your love for the new upcoming programs which we are launching. Tomorrow onwards, we have the LLP program which is going to go on. Orientation program is tomorrow at 4 p.m. Anybody from across the globe can join us on the Zoom orientation program. We have already given the Zoom link and the passwords on the announcement section. Feel free to share it with whoever you think would love to understand and learn the language. Anybody above the age of 8 years old is welcome. Any age group is welcome. Any gender, any place, any location is welcome. Thank you so very much once again.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, all the judges.
Thank you, man.
Time.
Thanks, everyone.
Thanks once again.
Thank you, everybody. बहुत-बहुत शुक्रिया, बहुत-बहुत धन्यवाद सबका.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Grateful. Thank you, UBI and Sapna ji.
Thank you.
Thank you all.